This is the Vintage Coach Combination Wallet, style number 4730, in the color British Tan, and I would estimate it was likely made sometime in the 80s or 90s. And it actually originally, I believe, came with a little checkbook cover that slid into this pocket down here, but unfortunately it's missing that with this particular wallet. So I think the original name was Combination Wallet / Checkbook, but like I mentioned, this one's missing the checkbook cover. But anyway, I'll go ahead and show you. Here's the outside again of the wallet. It does have a snap closure here, as you can see. And it does have quite a bit of patina here along the fronts and sides of the wallet. And then I'll go ahead and turn it over, and it does have a back zip closure little coin compartment. And then I'll go ahead and open it again so I can show you the interior. So here's what the inside looks like. It does have quite a few slots up here. You could keep cash, and then it's got 6 credit card little slots, and then like I mentioned, a little place where you can slip a checkbook. It's just missing the checkbook cover that it came with. And then it also has a Coach cartouche stamp right here. So that is the Combination Wallet, style number 4730, and this wallet is available now in our online store. So if you are interested in looking at it further, the link will be below. But otherwise, thanks for watching, take care, and see you next time.